What up? It's Thanksgiving morning, and in case you're wondering, McDonald's is open. So this is probably the worst morning that I would choose to get fast food breakfast sandwich, but also the best morning because I'm gonna eat this and then I'm gonna go to the gym for like 2 hours and burn all of the calories. And then I'm also gonna go eat all of the calories for Thanksgiving dinner. This is a chicken biscuit breakfast sandwich from McDonald's. Looks pretty simple. It's a biscuit with a piece of fried chicken on it. Oh, yep. Chicken is hot. Chicken is fresh. Nice job, McDonald's. Yes. Yeah, I should have got some orange juice. Shit. It's a little bit messy, but it's a biscuit. That's pretty normal, I think. Excellent breakfast. Maybe we'll call this fast food and fast cars. But maybe in 2019, some people would think that my 2014 Mustang GT is not a fast car. So I either need to get a supercharger or not give a shit about what other people think. Shout out to Kyle and Adam for coming up with the fast cars, fast food idea, or whatever we're gonna call it. Fucking A, McDonald's.